The Trump administration has taken an unusually aggressive stance in the last term of the Supreme Court, and its tactic of filing emergency requests has been surprisingly successful in pushing forward its ambitious policy goals. In just 23 weeks, the administration has submitted its 20th emergency application to the highest court in the land. This rapid-fire approach reflects the administration's desire to implement key policies, and it hasn't been shy about using the Supreme Court's conservative 6-3 majority to gain approvals. Among the emergency applications that have tilted in Trump's favor are the efforts to discontinue funding for certain education department grads, impose a prohibition on transgender individuals serving in the military, and terminate probationary employees across federal agencies. Interestingly, these decisions from the Supreme Court are typically unsigned, meaning the justice's reasoning remains somewhat opaque. Now, here's the part most people might overlook. The Supreme Court's emergency orders are not intended as permanent resolutions. Yet, Trump has effectively employed a move fast and break things approach, facilitating crucial decisions through the so-called shadow docket. For perspective, Trump's administration filed significantly more emergency applications in just 5 months than all of his predecessors combined over their entire terms. Former President Joe Biden managed 19 applications over his entire tenure, while President Obama and President George W. Bush submitted only 8 combined throughout their presidencies. What does this mean for Trump's long-term strategy? It's a mix of tactical victories and seizing the moment, enabling major policy implementations despite the legislative branch's slower processes. This method also allows him to bypass opposition from Congress, making it easier to enact his vision. What do you think? Does this swift action through emergency applications reflect efficient leadership or overstep the traditional judicial process? Share your thoughts and let's discuss.